Hi YouTubers, welcome to my orchard videos and welcome to another tractor lineup for 2020. Well, here's the name brand right in front of you. Another European tractor. This one is very interesting as well. You may have seen the previous video on this one here. So we'll get to it. Now, what you see in front of you is the Lintrac 90. The other one was a Lintrac 60, the Lintrac 90. This is a little bit taller tractor. It can be used for orchard, vineyard, field, like ground crop, if you're growing, tomatoes and peppers and watermelons and that kind of thing, that kind of field crop kind of thing. This would be a good tractor for it. I think it's a real game changer for orchard and vineyard. I mean, you can only run this tractor is only offered in a cab only. It's only a cab tractor only tractor. It's only offered in cab. They don't offer them in non-cab. So, but the nice feature about this tractor is four-wheel steering, four-wheel disc brakes, and four-wheel braking. Well, of course, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel braking, right? Front PTO on it. It's this is the 90, model 90. This one, the Lintrac, starts at 105 horsepower. So they have a Perkins diesel engine, four-cylinder. Also the Geotrack 60 is also Perkins diesel. All these tractors use Perkins diesel engines in them, which is a really good motor. They were used in Massey Ferguson for a number of years. But yeah, they're a state-of-the-art tractor, and they have many different features. They even offer this one in a track model as well. You can probably get the kit from the company if you really wanted to. Get a track on this one here. So basically, depending on your spacing, I mean, anything can be modified, but I mean, you can put narrow tires on this thing here too, and make it even more narrower. I'll have the specs in the description. You can have a look at those specs if you want. But I think something like this would be very useful in a high density planting of apples, of fruit trees, or an orchard or a vineyard. But if your vineyard is super compact and super narrow row spacing, the tractor might be a little bit too wide for it. But every application is different. So yeah, this is just another brand of tractor out there. I found this one just doing a search, but remember, have a look at this brand. You can Google them, go online. I think they're mostly European tractor, but there might be the odd company in North America might carry it. They're mostly European tractor. They a very interesting transmission on this one here too. It's 16 forward and 9 reverse, and I'd really recommend this tractor here. Definitely a real game changer, especially with this four-wheel steering. Alrighty, I'll post the specs up in the description, and you can have a look at the video and see what you think. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and remember to hit that little bell at the end of the subscription button to get new videos from me and new updates. Alright, thanks for watching, and bye for now.